Hey guys, this is Monday's review. It's similar to that of Friday's quiz. I didn't leave the quiz because I didn't have enough time to grade it, so you'll be getting it back when I get back. But anyways, we're gonna go over this again because a lot of you guys made mistakes. So cosine is the part. So they're talking about angle C. So you're gonna label your sides. The side opposite of angle C is side AB. The hypotenuse is side CA, which means that your adjacent side has to be CB. So cosine of angle C, they just want the ratio is equal to the adjacent side, which is 40, divided by the hypotenuse, which is 41. And I don't have a calculator, but you can rewrite this with the decimal form. But please don't type in cosine of the fraction. That would be wrong. You're just typing in 40 divided by 41, and the decimal you get would also be the exact answer. For number 2, you're going to label your sides. So this is the opposite side of the angle in question. I'm going to label the angle X. This is a hypotenuse, and the last side would be your adjacent side. So I know my opposite value, and I know my hypotenuse. So is that going to be so, or is it going to be cosine, or is it going to be tangent? Well, it's going to be sine because I only have OH, and OH is sine. I don't have the adjacent value, so both of those are out. So sine of the angle in question, which I said was going to be angle X, is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So 38 divided by 55. Well, in order to get rid of sine, because you want the angle to be left alone, you would use the sine inverse function. So sine inverse. Now, I do have the answer, but because I don't have a calculator, I can't give it to you now. So now in your calculator, you would type in, because sine inverse and sine would cancel out, you would type in sine inverse of 38 over 55. And whatever that value gives you would be your solution. Okay. Number 3, they're asking you to find the missing side. So you have to determine if you're going to use sine, cosine, or tangent. So the angle is 57. I know the opposite side. I don't know the hypotenuse, and I do know the adjacent side. So I know O and A. So who's OA? That's tangent. So tangent of 57 degrees is equal to the opposite value divided by the adjacent value. Well, since my x is in the denominator's part, I'm going to flip this. So I'm going to get 1 over tan 57 is equal to x over 16. To get rid of 16, I have to do the opposite, which is to multiply. So now using your calculator, please type in 16 times the fraction of 1 over tan 57. So now if you type the following information correctly in your calculator, you're going to get x is equal to 10.4. And if you typed in sine inverse of 38 divided by 55, you're going to get 44 degrees. So make sure you type that in correctly.